Hey, remember it's baby snake season. Baby snakes are being born, they're hatching out of their eggs. They might appear inside your home, in your yard, as they explore their new surroundings. And here's a baby copperhead from South Carolina with the size comparison there to the sandal. And of course, baby pit vipers like the copperhead. Some of them are born with a yellow tip to their tail that they use to lure in prey. So be aware of your surroundings, because baby snakes like this are very active right now.